Welcome to Loudengine channel, car news and review. There sure is no shortage of aftermarket upgrades for the Lamborghini Aventador made by Liberty Walk, but the latest one is probably the most aggressive, too. The Japanese Tuner's limited edition body kit, which costs at least $55,520 if made from FRP, or $3,880 more in CFRP, has made the supercar look like it belongs to a track rather than the road. The parts include new front and rear bumpers, a vented carbon hood, side sills and canards and a gigantic rear wing. This Aventador is also fitted with large concave wheels, and for $854, Liberty Walk will throw in the headlight eyeline, whereas the air suspension will set you back another $9,500. Add them up, and you come with a $65,000 bill, and that's without the new wheels. That's quite a lot. As for that kind of money you can get a used Lamborghini Gallardo in tip-top shape. Moreover, Liberty Walk's Aventador doesn't feature any upgrades in the engine compartment, though if you so wish, there are other companies that would gladly tune the 6.5-liter V12. Underground Racing, for example, will add their twin-turbo system, and other parts, to make the Italian supercar produce more than 1,500 horsepower on race gas, which is almost twice than what you'd get in the stock model. Now, it all comes down to your preferences. Do you want the looks to be accompanied by a whole lot of extra power, or are you satisfied with just the body kit? Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment, share, or like and subscribe for more videos.